Croatia, often dubbed as the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a captivating European destination that holds a treasure trove of lesser-known facts and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Nestled in southeastern Europe, this stunning country boasts a rich history that dates back to ancient times, with its roots deeply intertwined with the Illyrians and Romans. While many are aware of Croatia's picturesque coastline along the Adriatic Sea, it's fascinating to learn that this coastline stretches for over 5,800 kilometers, making it one of the most indented coastlines in the world, dotted with charming islands, pristine beaches, and historic towns. Delving deeper into the country's history, Croatia is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the historic old town of Dubrovnik, which served as the filming location for the popular TV series, Game of Thrones. The city's robust stone walls, built to protect against invasions, have stood the test of time and are an architectural marvel. Not far from Dubrovnik is the city of Split, where you can explore Diocletian's palace, an ancient Roman palace that has been remarkably well preserved and adapted into a living part of the city. Moving inland, Croatia surprises with its stunning natural beauty. The Plitvice Lakes National Park, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a paradise of cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear lakes interconnected by wooden walkways. Visitors can explore this enchanting landscape and even spot wildlife like bears, wolves, and lynxes in the surrounding forests. Croatia's gastronomy is a delightful discovery for food enthusiasts. While coastal towns offer fresh seafood and Mediterranean-inspired cuisine, the interior of the country has its own culinary traditions. Try strukli, a delectable pastry filled with cottage cheese, or savor peka, a dish where meats and vegetables are slow-cooked under a bell-like lid, creating a unique and flavorful experience. One lesser-known gem is Croatia's wine culture. The country boasts a range of wine regions, including Istria and Dalmatia, producing exquisite wines like Malvasia, Teran, and Plavac Mali. Wine enthusiasts can explore vineyards, taste world-class wines, and immerse themselves in the local winemaking traditions. Croatia also offers an array of adventurous activities, from hiking in the rugged mountains of Paklenica National Park to white water rafting on the Cetina River. Those seeking a more offbeat adventure can visit the abandoned Yugoslav army base on the island of Vis or hunt for truffles in the Istrian forests, where truffle hunting is a time-honored tradition. Intriguingly, Croatia's diverse culture and heritage are also reflected in its unique festivals and traditions. Experience the exhilarating Sinjska Alka, an equestrian competition dating back to the 18th century, or join the lively festivities of Samobor Carnival, where locals don masks and costumes in a joyful celebration of Croatian folklore. Croatia is also a land of remarkable diversity in its architecture. Beyond the medieval charm of Dubrovnik and the Roman heritage of Split, the country boasts a variety of architectural styles, from the Venetian influences in Rovinj's Old Town to the Austro-Hungarian architecture in the capital city of Zagreb. The historic city of Osijek, located in the eastern part of Croatia, boasts an impressive array of Baroque buildings and charming cobblestone streets, offering a glimpse into a different era. For those with an affinity for music and culture, Croatia has a thriving arts scene. The coastal town of Pula is home to one of the best-preserved Roman amphitheaters, which hosts a range of events, including concerts and film festivals. Additionally, the country is the birthplace of inventors such as Nikola Tesla and Slavoljub Eduard Pinkala, whose contributions to science and innovation have left a lasting mark on the world. Croatia's commitment to preserving its natural beauty is also evident in its dedication to ecotourism. The country is a leader in sustainable tourism, with numerous eco-friendly accommodations, wildlife sanctuaries, and initiatives to protect its pristine landscapes and marine life. Finally, Croatia's recent accession to the European Union in 2013 has brought about increased international cooperation and investment, making it an attractive destination for business and trade opportunities. In conclusion, Croatia is a country that transcends the typical tourist experience, offering a rich tapestry of history, culture, nature, and adventure for those willing to explore its lesser-known treasures. Whether you're seeking ancient wonders, culinary delights, natural beauty, or cultural experiences, Croatia beckons with open arms, ready to reveal its captivating stories and secrets to the world.